The Voiijer app is packed with powerful features. It's an exploration tool and storytelling platform in one. Before you start, download the app and create an account using one of these three methods. Voiijer doesn't share any app activity or data with these companies. They are merely used to verify your identity and make it easier to log in. The app landing page includes featured voyages from top explorers, Voiijer staff content, and team favorites from the wider community. It also includes links to the profiles of exploration and conservation organizations and top scientists that you can follow. Let's go into a voyage to see what it looks like to experience a published voyage as a general app user. There's a shareable teaser at the top that's created automatically when a voyage is published. A quick summary of the contents of the voyage to pique viewer interest, and social engagement features. All voyages start with a question. The story shares your journey of discovery, brought to life through observations, field notes, and data. This multimedia and multi-step format lets viewers control the experience and step into each moment with you. No ads, no distractions. For those wanting more, they can dive into the metadata behind observations or leave comments. App users can easily search for content on the app, so keywords in your voyage question, field notes, and tags are important. This is also where you search for teammates, colleagues, friends, and family members' profiles, so you can follow them in order to invite them to collaborate on voyages. Your profile contains a bio, which can include external links back to your website, socials, or membership and donation pages. It houses the voyages you have started, or ones that you've been invited to collaborate on. All voyages start as drafts, which means no one except you and invited collaborators can see them. You'll also find voyages and observations from others that you've bookmarked here. To create voyages, you need an Explorer Plus subscription. An annual $49.99 subscription gets you unlimited voyages, the ability to invite collaborators to contribute their observations to your voyages, and the ability to publish and share. Your organization may have shared a code with you to receive a discounted annual subscription that you can enter by tapping Redeem Code. Starting a voyage is easy. Tap the plus button and give the new voyage a title. It's always phrased as a question, and don't worry, you can edit it at any time by tapping it again to update. Maybe start with a placeholder until your story takes shape. You'll notice a voyage has two parts: the story and the observations. Include select observations in the order you wish others to experience them in the story. You can add them to the Observations tab first if you want, as you collect or upload them, then move them over to the story. Or you can just start in the story and edit as you go, adding or removing any observations you feel are necessary to the storyline. All observations go into the Observations tab by default, so you'll never lose them. Making observations and adding them to your voyage is easy. The genius of the app is its multimedia capabilities. You can include photos, videos, audio recordings, notes, and even 3D scans in one story. This unique blend of media won't be found anywhere else, and means you can share your knowledge and experiences in some really powerful and immersive ways. You can speak to people, show them, and let them bring your discoveries into their homes. The possibilities for storytelling, learning, knowledge sharing, and citizen science are endless. You can take photos and videos with the app, or upload them from your camera roll or cloud file sharing. You can record audio with the app, or upload it if you've got voice memos or other audio files already. You can add a note observation type, which appears as a colorful sticky note and can be used to add punctuation, quotes, extra explanation, or describe experiences you didn't catch on camera. And you can upload 3D files and scans in USDZ format, Apple's native 3D file format. Most photogrammetry or 3D modeling software and apps will let you export in USDZ file format. You'll need to pull 3D files from whichever cloud-based file sharing services you use, like Google, iCloud, or Dropbox, for example. This is also how you will upload photos, videos, and audio recordings that you may already have, things that perhaps you've backed up to your laptop or the cloud. Just be mindful there is a 75 megabyte limit per file, so some videos and 3D files might need to be optimized or cut into clips. Something that sets Voiijer apart from other apps is the multi-user function. You can collaborate on voyages with teammates. This makes it incredibly useful for field expeditions, research, school projects, citizen science, and so much more. The voyage owner invites collaborators, who can then make observations in the shared voyage. Invite collaborators while the voyage is in draft mode, or even after it's been published. Being able to collect the whole team's data in one shared location is invaluable. To invite a collaborator, you need to tap the small circle with a plus in it next to your own profile pic at the top of the voyage. For teammates to appear in the collaborators list, you must be following them on the app, and they must be following you back. This is called reciprocal following. Also important, you must tell the person you have invited them so they can check the notifications page on their app, because there is no alert system right now. Alerts are coming soon. Please refer to the collaboration FAQs on the Voijer website for more information on the permissions and features for collaboration. You don't have to publish your voyages. You can keep them in draft mode indefinitely. But we hope you feel compelled to share your work and experiences with the community. So when you're happy with the way that you've curated your story and you've added all the info that you want to your observations, you can publish your voyage with one simple tap. The voyage will now be visible to others from your profile. If you belong to an organization that is an official Voijer partner, your voyages may be featured on the app landing page and promoted on other Voijer channels. But you can also promote the voyage yourself by sharing the teaser video that is automatically created when you publish. It takes about 5 minutes to process. Or by sharing a direct link to the voyage. You can promote your voyage then from your website, blog, newsletter, or social media posts, for example. If someone opens that link on their phone, it will prompt them to download the Voijer app, or if they already have the app, it will take them to the voyage itself. A voyage is still editable even after you've published it. If you need to add more to a live voyage, make corrections, or add more detail to past observations, you can tap Manage to edit the voyage. All edits will go live immediately. If you prefer, you can unpublish the voyage, make edits, then republish it. There is more information on the features mentioned in this video on the Using Voijer page on voijer.com, where you'll also find detailed FAQs. We hope you enjoy using Voijer as much as we do, and we can't wait to see what you'll share with our growing community.